Hi guys, welcome back to Ceres Kitchen. I'm now cooking sweet and sour chicken. Ang mga ingredients natin gagamitin: i-marinate natin ang chicken sa allspice, light soy sauce, ground black pepper, and salt. Kailangan i-toss well natin para ma-absorb ng chicken ang mga spices. After tossing well, cover natin and marinate it 1 to 2 hours. Gawa tayo ng sauce. I-blend natin sa bowl ng pineapple juice, vinegar, water, light soy sauce, cooking wine, ketchup, sugar, and cornstarch. Mix well natin hanggang maging ganito ang kanyang consistency and set aside. I-dip natin ang chicken thigh sa egg and then sa flour. Yung flour, pwede niyong timplahan ng salt and black pepper. And then, i-shake off natin para maalis yung excess flour. Ready for deep frying. I-deep fry natin hanggang sa mag-golden brown. Golden brown na, pwede na natin hanguin. I-drain natin yung excess oil. Then, keep warm and set aside. Mag-saute tayo ng garlic, ginger, red and green peppers, and leeks. Add the pineapple chunks and yung sauce na minix kanina. And then continuously stirring until it thickened. Kumuha ko ng around 1 tablespoon of oil do sa pinag-deep fry kanina at in-stir ko sa mixture. And ilagay na yung ating chicken dun sa mixture at simmer for a few minutes. Ayan, ready to serve na. Tikman po natin. Ang sarap! Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang aking sweet and sour chicken. Hanggang sa susunod, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.